Tama, oo.
You know, na wag pag-usapan sa loob,
Correct. Yeah.
pag-usapan sa labas.
Yeah.
So, dapat ganun din ang mga Airbnb operator
Yeah.
na i-warn yung mga, you know, mga guests nila na, hey, there's a surveillance camera inside.
O, bigyan kita ng sample. Kung
Yes.
magre-rent ka ng bahay, titirahan mo siya. Pag sinabing may surveillance, do you think he's still gonna go to that property?
I mean, okay lang kung ang surveillance camera is nasa labas
Yeah.
ng bahay or
Yeah.
nasa backyard
Yeah.
for security reason.
Correct.
But not to watch me
Yun-
personally. Ano ba yung mga pervert ba
Yun na
yan?
nga ang problema. Yun na nga ang problema.
They get satisfaction on watching whatever, every little thing you do.
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
if you're, let's say you're in that property
Yes.
and you are logging into your, you know, you're working
Laptop.
from home.
Yeah.
You're logging into
Yeah.
your home, in your, you know, laptop.
Oo. Yeah.
Eh,
Yeah.
may mga password key yun.
Yes,
Eh, hindi
kaya-
na nakikita nila lahat yun.
Kaya nga purely privacy issue talaga, security issue din as well.